We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page on a Brother HL3075CW. So what we're going to do is you're going to hit the arrow button down. The first option is going to be machine info. You're going to hit the OK button. And it says print settings. You're going to hit OK. It'll say printing, and that's when it'll print your supply status page. The first page just has useful information about your printer, and then the second page will have a gauge of your levels of ink, your install date, how many pages you've printed on that cartridge, and so on and so forth. If you guys are in need of supplies or a quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.